This is a classic factorial problem where you have to find the value of x when x factorial is equals to 3 double factorial multiplied 2 factorial divided by 0 factorial. And you have to choose the correct option out of A 0, B infinity, C 2, D 3 and option E not defined. To solve this, you must know the basic property of factorial, that is, n factorial is equals to n multiply n minus 1 multiply n minus 2 up to 1. Similarly, n double factorial is equals to n multiply n minus 2 multiply n minus 4 up to 1. Therefore, value of 2 factorial is equals to 2 multiply 1. Value of 3 double factorial is equals to 3 multiply 1. Therefore, this simplifies to 3 double factorial is 3 multiply 1 multiply 2 factorial is 2 multiply 1 divided by, you must know the value of 0 factorial is not 0, the value of 0 factorial is 1. So here it is 1, which is equals to 3 multiply 2 multiply 1 is also equals to 3 factorial. Therefore, x factorial is equals to 12 factorial. So x equals to 3. Therefore, option D is correct answer.